We're at Unit 3 Hope Valley, and the guests have a key to the front door and a separate key for the key to their room. This is the lounge room, and the unit has got a landline phone line which lets you ring any phone in Australia at no cost, including mobile phones. We also have unlimited broadband, which is in this Telstra box behind the TV. And this is the lounge room and the dining room. And on the refrigerator in the kitchen is the code for the internet. This is the kitchen with a gas stove and oven, and everyone gets a rice cooker if they want one in the set of fully equipped kitchen with all the knives and forks and plates and so on you require, and cooking utensils. And here is a fully equipped laundry, and we've got a private backyard where you can sit when it's not raining, and there's a shed where you can dry your clothes if it's raining. And in the laundry there's space for you to store your food and so on. At the moment there are 2 people in the unit. Room A and room C are occupied. This is room A, and here is room B, and then the corridor is room C. The room, like the other rooms, has its own unique key for the room. It's a single bed room with a desk, bookcases, and a wardrobe. The building is cooled in summertime with evaporative cooling, and in wintertime we have zone gas-based heating, which means each room in the building can control the temperature of that particular room. In addition to that, there's also a ceiling fan for the room, and this is the vent for the heating in wintertime.